I tried crab sticks for the very first time, and if you're a crab lover, you're going to absolutely fall in love with this. Save this recipe right now because this spicy garlic butter twist is hands down the best way to make them. We are using 250 grams of crab sticks today. Look at how perfectly symmetrical these are. Is it real crab or imitation? Well, it turns out it's imitation surimi fish. And even though the internet says it's already pre-cooked, as mothers we don't just blindly trust pre-cooked. We still have to do our thing. Give them a quick wash and set them aside. In a hand chopper, toss in a handful of parsley or whatever herb you love, along with 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic is the secret magic here. Chop it all up nice and fine. Turn your stove to medium-low heat and melt 4 teaspoons of butter in a pan. Drop in that garlic and parsley and just let that incredible aroma fill your entire kitchen. Sprinkle in a half teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of salt, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder for depth, and a half teaspoon of crushed red chilies for a little kick. Stir until those spices blend into that gorgeous golden butter. Now gently lay in your crab sticks. Since they are delicate, we aren't going to take their souls away by overcooking them. Just 2 minutes on each side. My son is a huge shrimp lover, so he insisted we try these. And let me tell you, the smell alone was driving us crazy. Once both sides get that light golden sear and absorb all that spicy garlic butter, take them off the heat. Generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that extra zesty kick and enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you have tried crab sticks before or if you have another fun recipe I should test out next. Try this one out, subscribe for more quick bites, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.